Hello everyone! Welcome back to your video lessons. Today we have a different video lesson. Since it's summer, we're going to talk about summer vocabulary. Let's start with the beach. Yeah? What can we find at the beach? First, the waves. Yeah? A surface irregularity in the sea caused by currents beneath the water as they move towards the shore from the sea. The second thing can be the sea, a large body of salt water sharing a common area with several countries. Then we have the sun. The sun is a star of our solar system. It provides heat to the earth, and we can see the sun in the sky when there are no clouds. Then what can we do at the beach? We can build a sand castle. Yeah, a pile of sand on the beach that people create, and they resemble a castle. Then we can go to the beach with a cap. A cap protects us, our head and our eyes from the sun. What can we eat at the beach? Ice cream, yeah, a delicious cold dessert made from cream, sugar, and different flavoring. What else can we do? When we go to the beach, we wear flip-flops. Yes, flip-flops on our feet. Yeah, an open-top pair of footwear with a strap that holds the flip-flops on your feet. Then we wear, to be cool, a t-shirt. T-shirt, lightweight shirt without sleeves, yeah, often worn in summer, because it allows to keep us cool. What do we wear on our legs? A pair of shorts. Yeah, shorts that keep us cool. Then when we go to the beach, we use an umbrella. It provides shade while you're lounging on the beach or outside a cafe, a restaurant, or at a bar. What can you eat at the bar? A popsicle. What is a popsicle? A cool, refreshing, sweet dessert often enjoyed on a hot summer way. Yeah, it's a good way to help reduce your body temperature. What do we use when we go driving or at the beach? Sunglasses, yes, protects our eyes from the strong sun. Then, to protect our skin, we use sunscreen, yeah? Sunscreen protects our skin of sunburn, which are caused by the energy and heat of the sun. What else can we use at the beach? A bucket. Yes, a bucket can be used to transport objects, carry sand in it, water or other materials. A beach ball. Yes, soft, lightweight, inflatable ball, ideal to play with at the beach. And finally, another item at the beach, snorkel. Snorkel permits breathing under the water through a tube that's exposed to the air, and you wear your masks to see under the water. Well, that was it today. Part 1 from your summer vocabulary. Enjoy and see you next week. Bye.